Britain's Got Talent 2016 is Richard Jones!
Now, believe it or not, before I became a magician, I spent 6 years in an origami intensive training center in the heart of Japan. Just so I could be here with you guys doing this right now.
Now I'm going to write a prediction down really quickly here. Something that I'm hoping. What was the card that you saw in your mind?
The Six of Hearts.
The Six of Hearts.
Oh, that's really good. Did you do that?
And in a second of impossibility, restore hope among his comrades.
Send me that positive energy.
I can lay down there for it. And it will make sense later. You just write it onto the card for me. Just keep it there just for now. Yes. If I open this up, you'll see that actually. No! Completely switch places in that spur of the moment. Draw the card for now. Just tear the corner off. Banana.
I'll give you 2 eggs. Yeah, just make sure that is a sealed can. I was think of one drink you said, breakfast tea, is that right?
Correct.
No way. Tea in a can?